I think interesting stuff. Maybe from Suman, your perspective, share your experience and then maybe a bit more focus also on what doesn't work, right? I think we hear about all positive stories. So one of the biggest challenges we want to get inspired by Steve Jobs, but we are not Steve Jobs. So that inspiration is very, very difficult for us to actually replicate. So we need to figure out what is neighborhood and what we can use ourselves, right? So that's one other challenge. So good to understand what doesn't work and how can we solve for it.
Thank you, Samir. Good morning. Thank you, the organizer, Mr. Sanjay and the team. So it's a privilege to be here to share a few of the experience that I have learned during my short tenure with Global IM Bank as a Deputy CEO. So it's been 1 year only that I joined Global IM Bank. Before that, I was in one business conglomerate, IME Group, as a Group CEO and Senior Vice President. And interesting is, I worked in Global IM Bank as a Board Director for almost 8 years, for 2 tenures. So now I'm in when I was in the board, it was very easy for me just to give instruction to the management. Now I'm here to execute and deliver. So that's an interesting part of me. And Global IM Bank, as we discussed before, it's a merged entity of more than 21 institutions, including 5 commercial banks and more than 5 development banks and finance companies. So we are now the largest bank in the country in terms of customer base, capital base, network, international presence, and so on. So since we are the merged entity and we completed our last merger 1.5 years before, we merged with Bank of Kathmandu, and so we are here as the largest bank. But to be in a top in that position, it's okay. But going forward, the biggest challenge for us is to bring more efficiency, more synergy, out of that merger, and that has been our priority. And for that synergy and for that efficiency, digital transformation is the key strategy of Global IM Bank. We really want to optimize or bring efficiency in both the end, one at the customer end and one at the internal process end. So we are focusing on 2 areas. One is customer-centric platforms, channels, and optimizing those platforms, channels. And the other thing is we are trying to bring in more efficiency in our internal process. So that has been key priorities, and we are doing a lot of initiatives on that. We know there is a long way to go because as we discussed before, and as you said, and going for Singapore fintech and India fintech and Dubai fintech it's amazing. So you get so excited, but the ground reality is different. So we have to have a proper strategy based on our ground reality. That is a challenge. ROI is another challenge. Culture is another challenge. Infrastructure is another challenge. So we have to consider all these things and then develop your strategy so that you can rightfully execute and deliver what you are trying to achieve. So launching one more product in the digital US facility where a customer can come in and onboard themselves, get their checks, get their ATM instantly, without waiting for any internal processes. So we are trying to, as I said before, we really want to optimize and bring more efficiency in customer service delivery. So in that same directions, we set up this kind of physical outlets. Another reason is at the moment what is happening is fortunately Global IM Bank is, I think in terms of footfall, I think this is also biggest. Our tentative estimation is we have a footfall of more than 100,000 in a day minimum in our branches. So most of this customers or footfalls before, they were coming for cash transactions. So what is happening is the footfall in cash counters is going down and footfall in customer service is going up. So for that matter, we really want to encourage customers to use those sort of transactional services through digital channels or through machines. So that's why we set up that digital universe, and we will be setting up more, this kind of digital universe in other branches as well. So this is one of the initiatives that we have taken. And another is Global Smart Plus. It's a mobile applications where customer can avail all the services digitally without coming to the brand's premises or bank's branches. And we are trying to optimize that platform, and we are also launching self-onboarding through that platform very soon with embedded technology where they can self-verify and do some sort of liabilities as well. And we have already built in a lot of other products there where a customer can apply for fixed deposit. They can also apply for a loan, against safety. And recently we also launched one product where customer, without coming to the bank branches, they can apply for the loan and all the end-to-end process is digital. And they can apply for the share loan against share up to some threshold. So that's a one product that we recently launched, and we will be launching similar kind of product going forward. The primary objective is yes to optimize, to enhance our customer experience and service delivery.